Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React here again as we go with another hilarious comedy. But before we dive into this comedy, wait, it's giveaway time. It's giveaway time and I'm wishing every one of you good luck. How to participate in this giveaway is very simple and it is for those that will watch this comedy till the end that will actually benefit from this giveaway. I will not say anything yet, but if you watch the video to the end, you will know how to participate and be a partaker of this giveaway. So guys, let's go.
Fuck up the club, we no send young man who them dumb brackets you are like all up.
No now. Since 2 years we graduation, you no gree come back. I miss you now.
You went to school and now you're coming. Your boyfriend needs to rush you.
They dig well here.
So they dig balls.
You were not like this before you went to school.
He was actually remembering everything.
Why
Like
would this still open for me to enter?
Babe.
when the girl was still fresh. When no one has actually entered her.
I better bring her. What nonsense? When will I enter Jerusalem?
Babe, can you see the book a flight and go to Jerusalem?
Aswa!
Baby, you know I'm a church girl.
You know Grace? I been using TMW.
I don't want
Right now, you have to bust him. Right now.
Mr. Gino,
Oh my god.
when your stand is broken,
Jesus!
so you have to give it to him for it to stand back.
They see lamb?
Baby, you know now, it's school stress, running up and down.
School
I can't
stress?
do this thing. I miss you.
Ah, my son. Thank you for coming to our rescue. Mr. Gary, so you are even here?
Jesus.
Ah, class girl. See my same mate too.
Hey!
Which school this girl go?
He was actually trying to enter her, but
You were sitting
he
there, right?
eventually
I was
got
talking to
broken.
the chair.
But now, after schooling, a lot of things has happened to her.
Babe, this thing is heavy now. How about you found it?
Dad, your phone is ringing.
And everybody,
Big babe.
she want me to marry her.
God to soon, glory be to God Almighty. Oh, that small picky really did bad for drawing the attention of the men.
guy. I might spec be that though. You say wait, no try.
Wait,
This one look your level. Leave am. If not be my level, why in the weight boss for you? You know whether that Benz no good. You give am Benz. All the guys will get big yash na Benz they drive. For via. Boss.
It is not all actually. It is not all. There are a lot of them that actually are broke. They don't even have boyfriends. You know, they don't have boyfriends.
Correcto. How much for this whole seat? Now 1K.
What's going on here?
Take. I don't pay for this whole seat.
Okay, I say 1K, now they give me 1.5. You know something calculate.
Keep the change.
Hey! Oh my
So that's already easy. You keep
That
the
wickedness be this one. When me go come sit down?
I just want to be comfortable and I want to pay for the whole seat now.
Maybe all of us, they wait for bus under this hot sun.
That no concern me. I just
Oh,
understand.
The wicked person.
you are
I'm
wicked.
wicked though. When person feel lap you now, eh?
Lap who?
Bros, you go lap am? Yes.
You don't go, you know they go. Another waste time for here. Wale.
They go.
I know is actually the goat of all time, man. Like, the greatest of all time.
It shocked me.
Now why we
This one enter, like, this is actually
He always
entered,
turn
and
up. He
this guy actually
go turn up. He go turn up.
This one is from Kekere, let's go. That fufu is very hot and it is so delicious. It's delicious with that fufu.
Hello?
How many times I want to explain this thing for you? Click the link on the bio. It directs you to Mozart Tibet.
You see the way the fufu was wrapped with that egusi that has shining oil on top.
Yes.
What will Kekere do this time? How is he going to get hold of that fufu and the soup now? This is what we're trying to do.
Kikiri, what did I do?
Ajay, it's not what you think. Akoni me.
Kikiri, you won't poison me.
Akoni me, I cannot poison you. Ajay, I can explain.
Kikiri, where you going to chop this food?
Ajay, me I the fast. Ajay.
You fast, better. So you can chop and fast.
Akoni me.
It's okay.
It's so
The food you okay there? Achi.
This pattern is very, and it is short. It is short. It is short. I love this pattern.
Bro, what you dey drink now? Which one be this one? Call me bitters, you go bad on.
Bro, you know what you dey drink?
This bitter is
Don't
for.
happy that too. You go increase your libido.
Not today. Take it.
Bro, Sochi. That charger, I couldn't find it. I checked that supermarket.
This one is already falling in love. Oh my God, Senator, you have gone too far. They told you not to take this.
It's fine. Sydney, meet my younger sister, Angel.
Something took me. I can't laugh at you. The thing even hang him on the air. Is this how active Pekomi is? Is this how active Pekomi is? Well, let's see Nas boy. And this will make you laugh.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, can you assist me with 200 naira?
Because you get where you go, you lost your wallet.
Come, you see this thing where you want to do now? Now what I don't do for the past 18 years for this Lagos. Huh? But it's okay. You see this area where you do like this now, from here like this. Go down. You don't cast. Everybody don't know this pattern. So I go advise you. The best place where you go go now, na Ikoyi. If you go on those side, you go make something. It be like you just start.
What if jump?
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, go.
And I think the guy actually is a newcomer in this business because it's very easy for everybody to see me.
Good afternoon. Now from my two where they come like this. Before I go know all those boys where they do pickpocket, they don't come out wallet inside my hand. I beg, now it's all where they go. If you can help me with the 200 naira, please. I beg you in the name of God. Thank you.
He won this time. He won. He actually succeeded.
I pursue where they try to pursue the other guy. I don't want to make anybody inconvenience me. Now this area where they bump.
He's actually bombing this area. Oh, he don't use trick for that one to
Hello,
get out.
Crity.
Yes, what is it?
Mama Ukas.
I am sorry. I just wanted to say hi, and you are beautiful. That is all.
And you're handsome. You have a sexy lips. And your eyes are charming. Like a diamond crystal.
I'll be like a thief in
I
the
don't
night.
mind being your princess if you be my Prince Charming. I promise to be your Delilah if only you're ready to be my Samson. Or you don't like what you see.
Let's have it.
Adam, I like him.
Hop in.
Like
Let me
how?
change your life.
Okay, man.
You're actually digging your own grave very slowly and this time around you go. You actually left him behind.
Oh, I'm sorry. You haven't entered. Please come.
What sort of a place is this?
Forgive me.
I for say.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was coming to meet you. I didn't know you're coming. Sorry.
Which kind of joke
Forgive me.
is this?
No problem.
Coming. Why are you after my life? Who sent you? Poverty, why are you following me up and down? Get locked.
Thank God, though. Now, so I for take go.
What is that? And Mama Ukas.
Money. What's going on?
Baba, December go make sense.
I lie. Wait.
I'm good.
Are you going?
My phone. Plenty still there for where this one come from. Baba, one Baba, you do the level for me. Oh. You see this ring? Baba, anywhere where I enter, once I use the ring, touch it, Baba, they follow me go.
Jay, Marcia.
Once I use the ring touch it, he will follow me. Look at what the doctor is actually doing. And then he took it and run away. Let's watch how he's going to use it. Mumu, they say you use the thing to touch something and it vanish with you. Okay, is this how Senator is going to use this thing? Touching everything. How is he going to, as in, but the things are not vanishing. Well, let's see how it's going to be for you this time around. I'm already laughing. Oh my God. He even touched that lady. Like, I think he doesn't understand the function of that ring.
Hey, you don't pay.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
You can see me.
You never see anything.
This one is a madman. Thank you, God. Lasisi. This thing just saved Lasisi, honestly. Lasisi, get love.
What you say the water not the correct too.
All this water is now very, very small. I
I
don't
don't know what
understand.
you dey talk. Water not dey Lagos, madam. Water not dey Lagos. I know we get water.
Is
Water not
it
dey
fight?
Lagos.
Now why is small like that?
And you know what you
The
dey
water
talk.
itself not dey
Is
reach
it
the
that
people like
You
that.
get any complaint, come
aggression?
factory. People they come factory. If you get complaint, come factory. You complain too much.
I complain too much.
You talk too much.
You're very sick in your head.
And you know what you dey talk. You
You're
don't get
very, very
respect.
sick. And they use some money to buy water when they
I
complain.
come your store that day, they call me a boy. I be like a boy for your eye. Senior man like me going to 40 years. Person that was born 1980s. When you they born you, not blame you now.
Hello, oh boy. Not be for my shirt.
You go
gonna
call your
talk like
papa,
that.
oh boy. If you dey disrespect people, they look face. Not commonize me because I dey carry pure water.
Who be this one?
Commonize.
Who be this? Is this your stupid shoe and your foolish face?
Your water don't correct. And you know, you dey laugh me now. You laugh your head fast now. Send me my money. Your water don't correct.
Now factory go pay you.
What do you talk?
Now
Huh?
factory go pay you. I go pay factory. They go settle you.
Don't let us get
Maybe
angry.
your mouth feel
He
wrong.
will just use his head.
Carry your motor, they come out for
No.
here. And they follow you, they talk. The woman, they follow me, they talk anyhow. Not be me one pay you. Not be me one pay you. This water don't they complete 20 again, and they don't they small.
If you get any complaint, come factory and let me get the pure water company. Let me work at the one.
Now factory, I go give money, go collect money for factory.
I get pure water for you. Come tell me say go factory.
Okay, then to solve the problems for you to take all the pure water you just loaded on the floor for
I
her.
beg, give me one bag of rice.
Pick all into your car and go.
They play. Just they play. They play.
Oh God.
Jesus.
I want to see you remain.
Let me see. Jesus, sweet.
You see, it's your turn to go now.
Oh, no.
As we agreed, though. You go in, Joe. Go. Don't tell me nonsense like that. Go in.
He should have picked everything in the shop now instead of them going one after the other. Like, okay, maybe everybody take your own, I take my own.
Papi, I want to buy drink.
It's a pity for you.
What kind of drink? Just go and check anyone. Just go and check. Just go and check.
This guy actually looks like Chinedu. I think this girl, sister, is a family member.
There is God in everything we are doing. No.
They actually resemble
Jesus.
Madam, just leave it. Just leave it.
Leave.
Let me go and ask my mommy, the one she's talking about.
Like
Thank you.
backbone.
Chinedu has started killing me.
Don't say anything. Let me see.
You are a very bad boy.
You a bad guy.
When they start you know what it means.
My sister,
You know the gravity of offense
children.
committed.
My sister, that's why I just mind my business and I'll just play the game on my phone. My iWatch game is okay for me.
What iWatch game? It's not normal what?
It's that one, but this one is the one that is online. iWatch is the best WhatsApp game and it offers engaging and competitive gaming experience.
And if you notice, immediately they show this scene of Mama Chinedu and this woman Chinedu stole from. You know, they were actually talking about Chinedu's case because it said children. So if you just see it, you won't think anything is happening. Not knowing that already table Chinedu matter on the floor. So let's see how it's going to happen. Did you see the way they are looking at him? She actually came here to report Chinedu to the mother.
Why I forgot my gun? I hope all is good. All is good, Chinedu. Look at yourself. Jesus!
I said it because
Jesus! I for sure this idiot!
the mother
I wanted
was
to call the police on you, but because your mother is my very good friend, that's why I left you. Mama Chinedu, I'm already going. Ma, please don't leave me. Just come to the police station.
Take me to the police station instead. Because the mother is worse than the police.
You're not ashamed of yourself. Thief.
No problem.
Factory reset. Factory reset. Just one touch. Belle don't show.
Oh my God!
them. You know, this is
I'll be
I'm coming up.
Oh, who sent you to knock? A lot of things running through the mind right now. Who sent me to knock? Who sent me?
Jesus!
And you are coming again for another.
Have you heard of GC buying? GC buying have the best weight ever. Trading Bitcoin, gift card. They are live 24/7.
After the whole thing you have done to me, I just touch you and you get pregnant, and now you want to let's do it again so that you start asking for different food, craving for different food. Don't be me and you. I think she deserves that Oraimo cord on her back.
Jessica, I don't know the stupid old man you always call every time you come here. Who is that old man? Say, Jessica, I'm getting tired of this. If you know you don't want to come here, it's better. Please just walk out of my house. This one.
You think it's a joke?
Person why they manage. You know my sugar daddy better pass you.
Jesus!
What?
You can go with your sugar daddy.
Calm down.
Go.
Landlord has done something to the tenant. So this time it's not the tenant. Landlord won this time, it's not the tenant. I've seen so many cases where the tenant will be the one chopping the landlord's wife. But now the landlord has retaliated. Let's see a little SMS.
I've this one they bomb. Una they eat.
Shema, we don't bomb, but they don't open.
Wait till the time.
Time never to go far like that, man.
For after one.
Shema, we don't bomb, but they don't open. They don't restrict my IG. I'm just say, okay, more just organize this for this sustain.
So una no fit come meet me for my room. Come tell me say food done.
Shema, you dey sleep now. We don't want to wake you now. Why we just say more just use this?
I feel like this little SMS. The way he talks, self
Go give me spoon. Sit down, not the.
Don't teach him about spoon. Sit down.
That guy is laughing. He has actually spoiled this for
me. They're not putting out for HK now. I said they're not putting out. Go bring spoon. I'm not a senior, but you want my go carry spoon. And you not get client.
For laughing.
You know what Jack client?
Jet up.
No, I didn't tell her. Shema.
This kind of time when we should not even supposed to go as una dey eat. Una go for the cheesecake for me. Una go for la mo. I don't blame una. Go that Pluto woman self. I don't go tell herself. Te amo, Camino. Te amo. Te amo.
Say no to fraud. Ah, man, it's not easy.
Dissolve!
Jesus. Jesus.
Who gave you this job?
Sir, your PA, sir.
My PA?
Yes, sir.
When did you start the job?
Yesterday, sir.
Yesterday?
Yes, sir.
What kind of a bouncer bodyguard is this? Who even employed the person? I blame the person who employed him because look at how he is guiding.
Are you serious?
Let's see the general, Joe.
Oh my God.
The general is actually preparing to mark
10% to
Big things, Nimo.
Today we mark the infinity with Fekomi, I swear. But let's see how it ends. Oh more, these guys even waiting for us first.
Okay, I'll be right back. Let me check something in the bathroom.
20 minutes I'm going to take back home.
Incumbent traditional prime minister.
With this, I can go for 20 minutes.
Hey! What's wrong? What's wrong with you?
People with two things they do, somebody don't want faster. You need to be humble in life. Please. You need to be humble.
I'm looking for trouble.
You took only one person.
Jesus!
You took one person and you're killing. Ah, you put cameraman is in trouble. Cameraman is actually in trouble. Let's see. Bring them.
Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. Bro, I'm greeting now. Good afternoon.
Madam, body dey pepper me. If you go check up on me, make it cause fight. I don't know what it is.
Manu di no fame manu cannot help.
I blamed her. Greeting shameless man like Agentoflaughter. You shouldn't have greeted him at all. Just walk past him. Who is he? Agentoflaughter. Beg, let's see Rookie, Jerry. Let's see Rookie.
Babe, please now. I'm sorry. It doesn't come to this. People, I've been calling you. I even called your mom. I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Please, we can settle this.
You called my mom. Why? What for?
I miss you. We can't just separate like that. You know I love you. I'm sorry, babe.
Touching the woman I wanted to
We can settle
greet
this.
him.
I'm sorry.
Don't get me.
I've done a lot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Now you're sorry.
Please, I'm so sorry. I can't do without you. I'm so sorry, please. We can settle this. Bill. I'm sorry. You know I miss you. You know I love you. Ever since you left, man, I've not been the same. I'm so sorry, please.
She actually want to breathe. Agree.
Treating me as if I'm nobody,
I
right?
will not. I will never do that. I promise you. See, I will never.
She has forgotten that someone brought her here.
I really love you, babe.
She must have heard a lot from Rookie.
Please forgive me. Babe, please. Babe, please forgive me.
See, I don't like what you're doing.
When Rookie is about to enter the Jerusalem, this devil came from
Promise you
nowhere.
will not be treating me as if I'm nobody.
I will never do it again. I'll never do it again, babe. I'll never do it again. Please.
Okay.
Have you forgiven me now?
Yes, I have.
Wow. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, what are you doing here?
I came to see my friend.
Oh, so we can be going there?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Wait. Guys, what is on 14 now? Which guy? Now my babe don't settle. Which level?
Now you're not settle. Now tell the settle.
Which guy? Now you're my girlfriend. Be my girl, I beg. I just got beg. Me and my girl don't settle.
Actually, now try to take the settle.
My girlfriend. You go find out go ask now. Which one say na your girlfriend?
Yes, now.
Wait.
After I've paid for everything, a lot of things and you want to settle what?
Wait.
Who is at fault, honestly, now? Who is at fault? Let me see the comments. Who is at fault? I think the girl and the boyfriend is crazy.
Give me the phone. Sure? Babe, nine bad is for you. Take it. Tell me where we come. Now 85 now pay for our Uber. Just now we drop am. And come me tell me carry my babe come. Babe, who dey come? Wait, you know the money when you talk like maybe she go. I say you carry my babe. No, I get problem. Don't settle. Now transport she take on. And the Uber man na 85 now go man. You transfer the 85. You call me make I. Babe, let's go. Enter the interior. Put up your time.
Yes, is it that you enter and transfer my transport? Okay, put in law. Rookie will use the annoyance to wipe eye law. Enough for only wiping off.
So you heard what I said? I need water and what? And noodles. So be fast about it. Just take our order too.
So, ma, what do you want, ma?
Get me the same thing. Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Be fast about it. So
First time I'm seeing a Believer Tupanchaye in this beautiful outfit. He really want to change his style. He doesn't want to look like a native doctor this time around. So let's see.
Wait, what are you trying to do?
What do you mean by what am I trying to do? What kind of stupid question is this?
Oh, the question the best you. Ask what are you trying to do now, the best you. So remember when you asked me what am I trying to do inside?
When?
Native doctor one wipe. Guests are actually like this. They are actually like this. They love to eat without any interruption. But when the viewing time comes, they want to like dodge it.
It's about to go back.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Okay.
What am I trying
to do? You came into the hotel room with him.
I'm sorry now.
Madam, you are not sorry.
You are not sorry.
Ask you again, what are you trying to do?
That is insane. If you don't want anything from a man as a lady, just be your own. Be alone on your own. Take yourself out by yourself. Do things on your own. Spend money. Your money. Not that after following a man to a this man goes, Agentoflaughter, you are in problem. You are going to be in problem. You are always in problem, and this one will not end well. Just watch. Stay at home. If you are a woman, you don't want to enter trouble. If you don't like a man, you know you are not going to wife. Don't go to a hotel with any man. If you are a woman, try to be at home alone. Not going to a hotel without doing anything. You think you are wise. That is not wiseness. If you only get you and the guy engaged in a big fight. Look at this one. Look, so mommy was finally worry you. May God never let us see this kind of life. It is actually one of them that was driving into this river. I didn't incorporate the something.
What's happened?
Neighbor. I said tomorrow na your birthday.
And tomorrow be my birthday.
Correct. So I go give you soup, make you shop without your fufu.
Yeah.
You don't happy. Hunger one kill.
Yes. So, but you carry out task. You go read something.
Bring her. You don't know me. You
go read.
So without people have many university.
Correct.
Me.
I'm not saying it's a big book. I'm not saying it's a big
Bring
book. If you read and correct, I give you soup. As birthday gift. Yeah.
What's in there?
Life sometimes is like photosynthetic. Oh more. How much I want to read this one?
Life sometimes it's like a.
It's like a waiting.
Date. Let me see.
They wait for you.
Date.
Don't look me. Don't look me. Read down.
Let's start again.
Yeah, no worry. You get
sometimes you get what they be.
Oh, no problem. Start again.
Life sometimes is like a.
It's like a waiting.
Mama Tangerine.
No, Mama
Don't
Tangerine.
meet anybody. Concentrate.
They do like that too. I be adult.
No, nobody
No,
touch
they
me.
do like say I no fear.
Another that want to collect me.
They try. They give people.
Read down.
Look at sweat.
We don't wait for you. Read down.
Life sometimes, and especially of sometimes it is safe.
I'm not correct.
Sometimes it's like a.
Like a waiting.
We dey wait to motel.
This no, I know this thing. No, I don't say as well. Now this.
It can never pronounce that word photosynthetic. It can't.
Right now, you don't look me.
And it's going to lose the apple if you fail to pronounce it.
Pronounce I'm not po like po.
We call her Polaris.
Like if you no one give me gift, carry go. If you no one give me carry go. I no one birthday gift again.
Babe, what's the meaning of this now? You come and say I'm gonna go where we dey go now. Since morning now you dey dress.
Some girls, they can take a few hours, like 2 years.
Babe, let's start going. I'm done.
Babe, I'm not going again. I beg. Are you mad? Babe, may you come and say I'm gonna go now.
Jesus.
Why your mommy like to delay person like this? If they like we come quick, they don't like to come to the occasion. When party don't finish, you don't get time. Hello, I'm need to take away you carry for me. Madam, you see what you boss. Don't let me miss my best friend occasion. And they tell you make you dress fast, so they take time. I know they like all this kind of. Babe, go and sleep now. You know tomorrow I'm going to my senior brother wedding. I don't want late to go sleep.
Better, you have to remind her because if they do you, all girls, in fact, all girls are like this. Any girl that will comment and say she's not like this, she's a big liar.
Jesus.
Yes, we
you may they use 5 hours stay the dress. Stand up before 8. You go not dress finish, idiot.
The delay.
I don't tell why I buy data for this phone. No. Make I load this my last 200 naira is and buy 200 MB.
Just card me on one notification spy the person. I know a lot of them that can be like this, network that can be like this. They know themselves. They know themselves.
200 MB why I buy you?
I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
Who will be this one? You know me before.
Good day, user 42059. My name is Agent Victor from your network company. Sir, we have been trying to send you an SMS, but you switch off your phone. So I'm here to pass a direct message. Please, sir. Turn on your phone.
It chased the hell out of the network agent. Exactly what people should be doing. Talk less in fasting for Ramadan.
I just subhanallah. Why did they stop now?
Who please?
Why do they dress like this kind of period? No, let me they fast. After talk less, no look am again. How you see this girl now?
I don't die my fans.
What is my sin?
No look am.
This is on fasting. I think the real fasting guy is the one in green.
I'm making me better than this, Jerry. This girl don't break my fast.
Are you playing?
After talk less, I don't want to better than me. I dare the girl don't break my fast now. They give me this. Allow you to go. I will continue tomorrow. Now, hard back.
I want line is selapa.
I just place the girl pass. Oh.
One first say one first jẹun.
Allow them commit.
Because you just saw one yash now, your fasting has broken. Oh ma, you good.
Assalamu alaikum.
This guy actually looks like a Chinese man. Chinese.
I beg, we see 3 cars.
Indian. Not Chinese, Indian.
Yeah, they say person they do wedding today.
Okay.
No.
Okay, now my wedding.
Okay, now they do wedding.
Yeah. Congrats, alhamdulillah. Thank you.
Yes, we don't come ask for one favor. No, when be the time for this wedding?
Now 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
2 to what? 2 to 4 p.m.
It's sharp, but you know really sharp for our side. You know, say we dey fast Ramadan Karim. So that too we go see the fast, and by that kind 6 we go dey break, and before then food for all finish.
Wait till we dey try tell you be say abeg if you postpone the wedding to 8 like 8 the mama cause.
Impossible.
That's 8 still done.
Can't be
exactly.
possible.
Thank you.
Make I shift my wedding because of tough now. I don't understand that part.
No, we not just say make you transfer your wedding. We say the reception.
Wait for the chop.
Because by then that around 2 we go see the fast.
Wait till on the talk, sir.
Get what temper. As he dey like this, he just dey calm.
No, they tell me all those kind of things.
Just follow her.
No, they tell me.
Okay, yeah, we don't be mates. But because you first us, all you go give my belly. We never you tell you the big beraga. Alpha, who goes you? Hey!
Jesus.
Where did they want to be mates?
I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
Hope as they pull out, you know, cut anything, check.
Check on time, oh.
Hey! Go inside, this on a family matter.
He actually wants to mimic Moscow, but he doesn't know how to do that. He caught himself.
Do you are you looking for who will kill you in this hard economy? You're supposed to move one way. Look, I'm going to jail you. Let me call my lawyer. Thank God you're here. Bombastic side eye.
What's happening here?
This man was walking in the middle of the road, looking for who will kill him. In this hard economy.
My brother hope say you see what happen. I know say I'm
before you come to us behind weakness.
Is that true?
You see the side of my
Hey, shut up! With the evidence we have here, you are under arrest.
Touch me. Don't they touch me.
Let me explain my.
Hey, shut up! It's what this guy did. He's going to spend 3 to 5 photo. No, 8 to 10. Let's finalize it. 12 to
Get money, the reason how many years why I go there for prison.
You can see what I'm talking about.
It's okay.
Jesus! I thought me and you. One go take ground. Get body on something. They play.
All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around till this moment. And for those of you who actually stick around till this moment, I really appreciate you guys, and I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Please don't just watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also like this video, share it to all your social media platforms. Sharing this content and liking it give signals to YouTube that people are interested. Like, you are trying to tell YouTube that Crity React content is the best, or we love it, or so for that reason YouTube will start like promoting it, recommending it to so many audiences in YouTube. So guys, don't forget to do that. And also, what is your favorite moment in this comedy video? Like, there are a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video, a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video. And if you want to be part of our giveaway course, we're actually giving out 5,000 naira to only 3 people. 5,000 naira. The reason why I'm doing this is because I got monetized today. So this is my first video after I reapplied for monetization and YouTube accepted me, and I'll be doing giveaway, just a little one. But the way I'll be doing this one now is not on this platform, honestly. Like, what do I do? All right, guys, my Twitter handle is this is my Twitter handle, Crity Boy Update, or Crity Boy. Just look at the Twitter handle there. Just come to Twitter. As you come to Twitter, follow me. After following me, you will see the thumbnail of the video on my Twitter post. As my Twitter post, then comment. What you're going to comment, just drop your account details there, and I will pick randomly for my giveaway. 4,000 naira to 4 people. I mean 5,000 naira to 4 people. Let me do that with 5,000 naira to 4 people. I'll be giving 5,000 naira to 4 people. Just drop your details. Come to Twitter, drop your details. Do not send me email. Do not drop your details on YouTube. Come to Twitter, follow this handle, and comment in the comedy thumbnail you see. Then the comment you're going to comment is just dropping your account details. That's all. That's all. I wish you good luck as you go. So guys, what's the favorite moment? There are a lot of favorite moments in this comedy video. Like, Sidney Talker actually played a very nice role in this comedy. And who do you think is the most funniest comedian in Nigeria? Like, don't allow sentiment to blackmail you. Do not allow sentiment to becloud your sense of reasoning. No, just let me see who is the most funny comedian in Nigeria. In Nigeria, not Africa. Because I know a lot of people are actually, confused about this. But let me see your vote. Let me see your vote in the comment box. The favorite moment, the most funniest comedian in Nigeria. And who do you think is actually the richest in Nigeria? There are a lot of comedians, but some get money past some. Some are actually doing well more than some. So guys, I really love that role of Nas Boy. Who saw Nas Boy? The guy that Nas Boy first approached will be thinking that Nas Boy is actually a good person, just a passerby, strolling, maybe a man going to work, not knowing that Nas Boy was actually trying to deceive him. And Nas Boy actually succeeded in deceiving him. And the move now went ahead. He left the vicinity and allowed Nas Boy to dominate. Allow Nas Boy to start making money. And I love the comedy. Very hilarious. And I love Nasty Black Sidney Talker's comedy. Actually, Sidney Talker is something. Sidney Talker is something else. I just pray nothing happened to him. I love the one Ian Lasisi acted, honestly. They asked you that what he told you that this ring, you can just use it to touch anything, and that thing will vanish. That was what Lasisi told him. Use this ring to touch something and it will vanish. You took it and run. Went to a shop and be touching everything, furniture shop, touching everything, and thinking that, but you never even notice that these things are not vanishing. Instead, you think no one is going to see you, no one will have the ability to see you as you touch those things. But man, the charm actually faded. Thank God for Lasisi. If not, Lasisi would be the one to be in trouble right now. And the other Sydney Tucker comedy is actually hilarious. Sydney Tucker and the Fekomi. It's actually very. It's something else. It's funny. Imagine you just took Fekomi, even they pushed you and your level, head you on the ground. Like, let me not say much, oh. Let me not say much, but I know that these people are actually funny. And this comedy actually got me like the number one. Yes, number one. Shaw God Dino, Shaw God, something like that. You know, that comedy was hilarious. I mean, it's hilarious. You need to see how the whole thing happened. The guy was actually trying to let everyone know that when you have a girlfriend, that girlfriend enters school. He's not telling you to leave or to break up with her. I mean, he's not telling you to leave her or break up with her. Telling you that don't put all your 100% love on hope on her again. Don't put it on her again. Imagine she was actually a virgin when she left for school, but when she came back, something else changed. The whole place be like where, and it was actually and the guy fell into the hole, and he began to see people that's already falling in the hole, and they could not live there. They could not live there. I think short Dino will be there with them. Titi Lai. It was actually funny. MKK did a wonderful thing there. So I love these comedians and they're actually doing well. So the comment section is wide open for you guys. List your favorite moments. List your best comedian. List the comedian you want to be seen on screen from me. List it and we're going to call it a day. Have a wonderful time and stay updated. Subscribe so that you see more of our updates, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell icon. We're going to see you guys. Have a wonderful time and goodbye.